Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me as usual is my husband Marcel behind the camera. Just want to say thank you for your continued support of the channel. And this morning, just to let you know that we are with Mass Unel and we are rather excited, been chatting a little while before we came on. But we're gonna get back to it shortly. But please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel so once we post a new video, you will be notified. All right, Mass Unel, how you do?
Well, me I give God thanks and praise, you know. Me I give
Yes.
praise, yes.
Oh my God. And so guys, if you have been following us, you will be familiar with Mass Unel. He's blind, he's able to play the musical instrument. And when we met him, he would have shared his story and a lot would have happened since then. You would have, I'm gonna let him tell you.
Ready? Ready?
Yes, go ahead.
Don't take away my trials. They only come to make me strong. Without them, dear Jesus, how would I get along? If I never have a problem, I never know my God will solve. Never know of it could move mighty mountain. I have bridges to cross, I have mountains to climb. I know I never make it on my own. Lord, I put my trust in you. There is nothing more than I can do. Lord, help me cross my bridges one by one. You can climb the highest mountain or sail the stormy sea. I know my ship is anchored and Jesus Christ have gathered thee. When my work on earth is ended and I bid this world goodbye, I take my final journey to my home beyond the sky. I have bridges to cross and I have mountains to climb. I know I never make it on my own. Lord, I put my trust in you. There's nothing more that I can do. Lord, help me cross my bridges one by one. I have bridges to cross and I have mountains to climb. I know I never make it on my own. Lord, I put my trust in you. There is nothing more than I can do. Lord, help me cross my bridges one by one. Lord, help me cross my bridges one by one. Lord, help me cross my bridges one by one. One by one.
Good job. But so Mas Unel,
Yes.
give us an update, as to how things have been going. We came this morning and you're digging out the road. You say you're making a new road going down
Yes.
there.
Yes, so far, when we decide to say we start the road, maybe I tell me, say, she don't want me to do this. Me tell her, say, me management, she say, it hard for me. And me
Yes,
I tell her, say, God will help me.
yes,
Me I tell her, say, God will be my strength. So,
yes,
me start it and one night time, make she see one little video I hit and how it look and
yes. Mas Unel, you just say you be.
yeah.
Ay, that's how you refer to your lady.
Yes, that's how
Wow.
me call her.
Yes.
Maybe.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god. So how has that been going?
Well, so far she take very good care of me. She see that
Yes.
everything all right for her. She she pays somebody for cook and wash and do everything for me.
Yes.
And and me don't have anything to complain. The only
Yes,
thing
man.
want God to lead me life, cause
Yes. God
God
is
is
good
yes,
indeed.
yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
man.
And Mr. Morris not left me out a bit. Mr. Morris do his very much for me.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes, and you would have met Mr. Morris from the time we would have interviewed you the
Yes,
first
yes,
time.
yes, yes, yes.
Yes, and your B as well.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
The stone them when me dig out, me I go carry on go show how me I full up the one run a one back the way I put on.
Okay, man, you slide off in a
Yeah.
Mass Unel. Okay. Oh my God, you look so good though, Mass
Yes,
Unel.
yes.
Lots of improvement.
Yes, yes.
Oh my
Long
goodness.
time different from how it be before.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's so good.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Yes.
Eh, Nice.
Oh, you're going
Yeah,
upstairs?
yeah. I was showing around now with me. We carry the stone them and full up with the stone them when we get out there so. And full up. If I foundation in deep too, you know, man.
Yes.
And but she's scared when time me come up here, so but me walk near the wall here, so that means say me dey far from the danger zone.
Who's scared when you come up? You be?
Yeah.
Oh, bro.
See, around when me dump up here the foundation deep.
Oh.
Yeah. See it here. See.
So all of you dig out down there is
Yeah.
what you have been
Yeah.
carrying it and
Yeah.
you alone do it?
Yes.
Wow. You do a good job, man. Because it's almost up to the other floor level now.
Yeah. Me follow the here so and catch the level of the foundation here so.
So this side is what? What's gonna be around
Then
here?
call it a sunroom.
Oh. What type of room is that? I don't know what a sunroom is.
Yeah.
So you have to go tell me, Mass Unel.
Well, I feel maybe design so.
Oh, so she know.
Yeah.
All right, anytime she tell you tell me what kind of room is that.
Yeah.
Oh, wow,
But
you do a good job around here. So you just have a little part left down the bottom to fill up.
Yes.
So you just carry it up bucket by bucket.
Yes, and we get the big piece of stone and we carry it on my head.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Lord have mercy. So them rocks over there, you
Yeah,
beat
man.
them up?
Yeah, man, from down where me I make the road, them come from. The whole of them come from down there.
Boy, look for Mass Unel. Mass Unel, you look good, you know? Oh, my gosh.
Give God thanks.
Yes, man, every time.
You know what day me and the lady where they take care of me go a Christian and
Yes.
walk up on bread out there. Man say, man look good if you blind man, man.
Yes. You look really good, man. Oh, gee. You put on
God,
weight too
yeah,
and you
man.
grow
Yeah,
tummy.
Yeah. Give God thanks, man.
Yes.
We go back downstairs, huh?
Okay. Oh, so the last time we come up here, nothing else was done. You
Yeah,
just
yeah.
pause it, so you soon start back, you say.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Later on, then you have your railings and stuff, you know,
Yeah.
more secure.
Yeah. I mean, no walk that side then. None at all.
Yeah.
Or if me step off of this one, me no break. Figure I go down.
Oh,
I go
no.
stop too sudden.
Yeah. Oh, my God. Let's hope it don't come to that, none at all.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Oh God, me say every day me give God thanks to you, no man, every day. 'Cause
Yes.
Me no know why that ain't happen to me.
Oh, my God.
if one of do for people, it no helpful to nobody, helpful to me.
Yes. Oh, my God. We know, man. We know
Yeah.
how much you're appreciated.
Yes.
On this side, cold.
Me say run a house here warm.
Run here so warm?
When me inside, me no feel nothing cold.
Okay. Mass Unel know how to get around. Know how to
See how my place stand here now.
Yeah.
They go look, man.
Oh, Mass Unel, now go in.
Oh, got to cough, man.
Yeah. Okay, so, all right, we got it.
Yeah, man.
So you have the phone, so when we call, we can't get you.
Yeah,
Yes,
so
well-
one the pan bed, at what them have, you know.
Yes. Oh, you have 2 phones. Mass Unel, what you doing with 2 phones? one is Lime and one is digital?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Wow. So
Yeah,
everything is covered, everything is well taken care of now.
Yes.
Oh, praise be to God. Yes, and food, all right, because you have somebody who take care of you now.
Yes.
Oh my
Yeah.
Oh
I
my-
mean, good little music and everything.
Yes. So you still go and play your music when you're ready? You still go to the
Yeah, man, me go and sometime at the church I keep something then call
then
me.
call you.
Yeah.
Yes.
And me go try same way.
Uh-huh. Okay, that's so wonderful.
Yeah.
I'm Marcel impressed. Hear me talk how you're fat.
You said the man see me Grand Market Day, then I kill me, kill
What
him
you saying? Where you go out Grand Market there?
No.
Huh? Oh, I get what you mean.
That kill me for Christmas.
Yes. Oh my God. I see you fix your teeth as well.
Yes.
Yeah, man, and you smell bright and look nice. Oh, wow.
Jesus, me give thanks,
Yeah.
man, me give thanks.
Yes.
And all of it start from, oh God, me say every day me talk about him.
Yes. So God be the glory, Mass
Yes,
Unel.
yes.
Great things he has done.
And me I pray, me ask God for make you know, children prosper.
Yes.
Yeah, man, make the blessing fall upon them.
Yes, man. Oh, wow. Thank you so much, Mass Unel.
Yes.
So we just thought that, would have dropped by, see how
Yes,
you're doing,
yes.
because
Yeah, man.
because normally there are times when we may see on the road,
Yeah.
but it has been quite a while.
Yeah, me know, if me know have cage and if you go on the road, no, me no go
No
on
worry,
the road.
go.
Yeah.
Yes.
She said she overprotective to me.
Yes, that's your bee, of
Yeah.
course.
Me sweet bee.
That's so funny. Yes.
Oh God, me love her. The only something me that I love more than her, me sight. Oh God.
Yes. Oh my God. She's been very good to
Yeah,
you.
man.
Oh my God. Big up B. Big up. Enough respect and enough love to you. We're going to stick with the B. All right. Oh wow. Yes, man. So, but when we're calling you to Mass Unel, we can't get you.
Oh,
I don't know why.
Me never have the phone. Me over there, so me put the phone for charge.
Yeah. Okay, but it's a good thing. So that's what prompted us to really stop by to just check up on you and see how you're doing. Yes. So, from all indication, you can see that you're doing well.
Yes.
Yes.
Me happy the fact that me not have my sight, but me
Yeah.
happy me not hungry.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, me will take care and something there.
Yes, man.
Me want a little bucket over there so them buy me snack and something and put in it that
Yeah.
me can have an idea. So
Yeah,
till me get
man.
me food.
Yeah. I say no complaints, no
Yeah,
complaints,
yeah.
just giving thanks.
Yes.
Yes. All right. And so we can take you after your work.
Nah, that's alright, man. Oh God. Oh God, man. That's alright, man.
Yes.
More than alright.
Well, you really look well. So it was a good thing we won't see you for a while. So we can see the big improvements.
Yes.
Yes, man. All right, guys. So that's it. There you have it. You see Mass Unel and you see how things. You see and heard how things have been going.
Who remember
Yes.
me. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. You see that you're grateful, Mass Unel. Yes, absolutely. All right, guys, so we're going to make Mass Unel get back to the digging of the road. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you for making it a little Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love and bye-bye. All right.